let's start first class. Oops. First one, we have Clippers Masterclass. Sino to? PJ Tucker. Okay, Clippers. Then, Steph Curry. Oh, actually, meron na ako nito. Stephen Curry. Okay, it's the second one. Then, let's have this one here. What? Dylan Brooks. That's one. We have Jimmy Butler. That's two. Then we have Evan Mobley. Oh, then we have the brother. Oh no, it's not them. It's the Harris. Si Harris ang ating Rainbow Master. Also, whoa, Zion Williamson Max Power. Boom. And we have Burngo. We have Pure Basketball. We have Supersonic. Then we have Boom. Bingo. That's the hit. We have the hit. So we have here this one. Bingo. And we also have this. Pinakaparang hit. We also have this one, Rainbow Master, a Masterclass, and we have that bases. Evan Mobley, Stephen Curry, Dylan Brooks, and Jimmy Butler. So that's it for our break. So alam, so natin ito ha. Nice one. So good one po siya nakuha natin. Nice pull. Okay, so see you on the next pack ripping, part 11 for the next part 11, and bye-bye. Boom.